So in case of pressure transmitter, why do we use a 420 milliamp signal? Guys, if you want to know really in detail, why 420, why 4 milliamps? Why? Very simple hai. Are your promotions slow? Not getting the respect that you deserve on board ship? If you are a marine engineer who is looking for faster promotions and earning respect on ship, then don't worry, Merchant Navy Decoded has your back. Introducing excellence packages for every rank now. You want to learn about purifiers, compressors, electronics, automation, MEGI engines, RT-Flex, ME engines. Don't worry, we are there. Learn anytime, online, offline, whether you are on land or on board ship. Engineers who invest on upgrading themselves, they lead. What are you waiting for? Go to the discussion box and you will find different ranks, different excellence packages. Start investing now. Jai Mata. Why 4 milliamps? Because on board cargo ships it is dangerous. If it is less than 4 milliamps, then in that case the current will not be stable. It has to come from far off distances. So it is 2 milliamps. If it is 0 milliamps, we will never know the difference whether the pressure is, there is no pressure in the line or the wire is broken, because even a wire broken will give a 0 milliamp signal, and if there is no pressure there will be a 0 milliamp signal. So we'll always be confused what is wrong. So that is why we don't use 0, and that is why we don't use 2 milliamps or 3 milliamps, because in that case the signal coming up from so far over here will not be stable, Copied, guys? So it has to come from over here. If it is a 2 milliamp signal, this signal might not be stable and it has to cover a lot of distance. So that is why minimum we want is 4 milliamp signal. Next question is, sir, why not 30 milliamps, why only 20 milliamps? Because if it's a 20 milliamp signal coming from here, suppose some reason over here there's a short circuit in the line and there's a spark produced. The spark produced because of 20 milliamp signal will be so small, it will not have energy to cause explosion. But if this will be 30 milliamp signal, and if there is already explosive gas over the tanker, say over here or over there, and there is a spark, by your whole ship is gone, you are gone. This can be the case. So that is why 4 milliamps for stability, 20 milliamps for safety. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.